How to change your language on Messenger if you are an Android user. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem. So this method works for both Android and iPhone users, so make sure you follow all the steps that I mentioned above. So firstly, you need to go on your Messenger application, make sure it's updated recently, latest version, so that you won't miss out any new features. Go on the top three vertical lines right there. When you go on the settings right here, you will see many options, but to change the language you won't see any, because the Messenger follows any language that you have set on your Android phone. So you should change the language of your phone to change the language of your Messenger. Go to the setting option for that. After you go on the setting option for that, on the top search bar, what you need to do is search for language and reason. After you search for a language and reason, a pop-up like this should be seen on your screen. Just tap here. So after tapping here, what you should do is you should now choose your preferred language. Tap on the language and reason. So there are more languages like this. Choose any language that you want to. For example, if I choose the English Australia language, then it's done for me. And when I go to my WhatsApp, Messenger as well, and WhatsApp and other applications, my language will be same there. So that's how you can change it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.